Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how I made this weekly spread using Goodnotes and Procreate. This is the DigiBujo 2019 by Gollan Designs. If you look at the information down here, there'll be a little arrow. If you click on that arrow, you will see all the items that I have used in this video. Also, you will see a notification for subscribe, and that will notify you when I post new videos. So click subscribe and also click the little bell, the notification bell. Anyway, let's get started. So first we're going to click the little three dots here at the top in Goodnotes, and we're going to clear the page. We have a blank slate, and I'm going to copy this outline of the journal so that I have a template to work in Procreate. So I'm going to click this little up arrow here, export this page as an image, export, and I'm going to save that image right into my camera roll. Now I'm going to go into Procreate. I'm going to click the plus button, screen size, gives me a nice big canvas. Okay, I'm going to click the wrench tool, add, insert photo, and I'm going to pick up that very last image that we just saved, which is my journal. Okay, now I'm going to add in my stickers. Now you can continue to add stickers that way by inserting photo, or if you have have them saved as files, you can certainly pick them up that way from your wrench tool. Insert file, insert photo. I like to work side by side with my photos, so I'm going to drag this up and put my photos on the side. I keep my photos in albums, so I keep track of the Jenny freebies that we get in the newsletter separately from my general planner stickers that I've purchased. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a weekly spread. Find the one I'm after. And we're going to use this one today. Drag and drop, and just size that to fit. When I came over, it was pre-selected, the arrow was pre-selected, so it lets me size that to where I want it. I'm going to click my layers, add a new layer, and get the next sheet from Pink Lemonade. I'm going to use this sticker. We're just going to use one sticker for this whole layout. So now I'm going to make that sticker big just so I can see it better. And I'm going to click the S for select. I'm in rectangle mode. I'm going to highlight the flowers that I want. 3 fingers down, copy and paste. That puts those flowers in their own layer. Okay, so now I'm going to turn off the sticker sheet layer. I'm going to work in the flowers layer, click my arrow, and put my flowers where I want them. Go to my layers, slide and duplicate, and I'm going to make the same thing on the other side. Okay, now I'm realizing that my weekly spread is a little too low, so I'm selecting that layer, click the arrow tool, and just modify that to fit. I'm going to go back to my sticker layer, turn it back on, select, and select the next sticker I want to work with. 3 fingers down, copy paste, turn off the sticker layer, and position that where I want. Again, I'm going to slide and duplicate, Actually duplicate that one more time, even though I don't need all the rest. It will simply cut off the rest. And I'm going to take my eraser tool and just take off that last little bit. So now I'm going to take these flowers, this one, and this one, and I'm going to merge them into one layer so that I can move them just a little bit to fit my screen a little better. Okay, go back to that sticker layer, turn it on, select, pick up the next sticker, 3 fingers down, copy and paste, turn off the sticker layer, layers, slide and duplicate. Okay, easy peasy. Go back to my sticker layer, turn it on, selector tool, and I'm going to pick the flower, 3 fingers down, copy and paste, whoops, turn off the sticker sheet, back to my flower, and just size it to fit, slide and duplicate, just place it where you want it. I'm going to do that again, slide and duplicate, make it smaller, miniature version. Slide and duplicate that one. Okay. Back to my big sticker layer. Turn that one back on. I want Boss Lady. 3 fingers down. Copy and paste. Turn off the sticker layer. Back to my Boss Lady. One more time, back to my sticker layer, 3 fingers, copy and paste, turn off the sticker layer, and just drop that. If you tap, you move it just slightly. Okay, and one last thing, I'm going to make a layer below my weekly spread. So I'm going to be here, add a layer. So I've added a layer below the weekly spread. I'm going to pick a pretty purple, just from a color palette I have here. It's Jenny's Dreamy. And I'm going to pick from my brush library Jenny's Illustration Pack. Now this pack comes with a lot of brushes. And I'm going to pick Texture to just give this a nice wash. And it's going below the stickers, so anything that was actually white will stay white. I'm just giving it a background wash with this. Okay? And that is it for my weekly spread. I'm going to click my layers, turn off my weekly, turn off my background, and then go to the wrench tool, share, PNG, and I'm going to save that image to my camera roll. Okay. Then I go back to Goodnotes, click the pen tool, click the little picture icon, and the last image here is the one that we just saved, or you can click this and pick it up this way. From Moments will be your last image, or Insert From if you happen to have saved it somewhere else. Okay, I click the browse button to get these. Okay, I happen to know it's my last one, so I'm going to click that. Tap and crop just to get some of the gray stuff out. Makes it easier to size. Tap and edit. And it should be really close because I did use the journal itself to make it. Okay, tap a pen tool and drop it into place. There's my weekly spread. Now I can simply go into my text tool. I've selected Bouncy Calligraphy by Jenny and set that as my default so that when I type away, I will have the font that I want. I'm just going to get these in the general area, and then I'll use the lasso to move them. I find it easier to just do it that way. Whoops. I try to put day 32 and 33 in here. Alright, so lasso tool, make sure your images is turned off. Otherwise you'll move your entire background. And just lasso your numbers into place. Text. And lasso. And that's it. That's my weekly spread. Thank you for watching.